Paano nila tayo mamahalin kung tayo mismo ang nagyuyurukan pababa, naghihilahan, pinagtatawanan ng isa't isa?
How do you plan to engage with different communities to promote understanding and acceptance?
Thank you so much to the beautiful and interesting question. Since I am the second one to answer the question, allow me to say that in every question, there will always be a perfect reactions that we can give, that we can share, that we can tackle. But as far as I know, you don't need to be too much perfect just to convince the panel board of judges that we are good enough. And having a long answer is not equivalent or tantamount having a good answer. Hindi po binabasa sa haba ng kasagutan, pagkus sa nilalaman. The question that was given to me is, how do you plan to engage with different communities to promote understanding and acceptance? Ano daw ho ba ang aking plano para mapagbuklod at maipaglaban ang karapatan at pagkakaintindihan bilang isang individual? You know what, ladies and gentlemen, standing here in front of you is a part of LGBTQI+ community. Kung tawagin, bakla. And we cannot really deny the fact that we are lack of understanding. We are lack of acceptance, love, and care. But you know what? What is my plan? Ano nga ba yung plano ko bilang isang bakla? Simple. I will start to respect myself and love my own community first. Why do I say so, ladies and gentlemen? It sounds my cliche, but it's really sad na bilang isang bakla, lagi namin pinaglalaban ng karapatan at pagkakapantay-pantay ng bilang isang bakla individuality to promote one inclusivity that we have. But can you really imagine, kami lang din hong nag-aaway-away, nagsisiraan, at naghihilahan pababa. At kung patuloy na makikita ng mga tao na hindi kami nagmamahalan, paano nila tayo susundan? Paano nila tayo mamahalin kung tayo mismo ang nagyuyurukan pababa, naghihilahan, pinagtatawanan ng isa't isa? Yes, first example of what we see in the social media. May nag-trending na isang young LGBTQ community na sabi niya, wala akong retoke, proud siya na rumarap siya sa swimsuit. And what we see though, Diwata Pares, they part of the LGBTQI+ community. Ngunit ano yung nakikita natin sa komento? Namumuna ang mga LGBTQ community na siraan ang kapwa niya bakla. And I believe the biggest platform that we can use right now is not to use my voice, but use it into the action. Respetuhin ko muna ang sarili ko. Dahil naniniwala ako, people of Valenzuela, hindi po ako kabastos-bastos na humarap sa harapan nyo. Hindi ho ko isang bakla lamang na re-representa ang aking sarili. But I have a purpose in this world. That is to open the heart of the people that we deserve to be loved and we deserve to be accepted. Kaya people of Valenzuela, isang tanong, isang sagot. May natutunan ho ba kayo sa amin bilang isang bakla? And I already answered the questions that we have the purpose. And that purpose is to spread the learn to each and every one. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 5.